Hello and welcome to my garden. I call this section Hummingbird Corner because the hummingbirds love these plants. This is a rosy colored Salvia Greggii that's just overflowing the space. And right above it is the mystic Spires Salvia. Beautiful bluish purple blooms in this little corner. This pollinator plant attracts all kinds of pollinators, bees and wasps and just butterflies and hummingbirds. And this is a Mounding Lantana tucked underneath another piece of salvia. Oh, and now this is a cigar plant. The hummingbirds absolutely love it. Cuphea is another name. It is visited every day by hummingbirds. That's one of the reasons I call this section Hummingbird Corner.